Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about learning remote sensing and GIS, and therefore the name learnrsgis.com comes from, where RS stands for remote sensing and GIS stands for geographic information science. Therefore in this channel we'll be learning all about remote sensing and GIS. Before going deep into my channel, let me introduce my website learnrsgis.com, where most of my stops will be based on the blogs that I have in this website. So what is this website about? This website is all about sharing my knowledge in remote sensing and GIS. It includes but not limited to the blogs in remote sensing and GIS, and some exciting and awesome tutorials in remote sensing and GIS, along with Google Earth Engine, geospatial data analysis using R, Python, ArcMap, ArcGIS Pro, and lineage and cover change, which is my favorite topic, by the way. So this blog or this website is also dedicated to share the knowledge, tricks, ideas on how to use and understand the tools like ArcGIS, ArcGIS Pro, R, Python, Google Earth Engine, and unleash this learning to find the solutions for different problems. Let us dive deeper into my website. Here we can see it's all about geographic information science. For example, if you click in this, you will find the exciting blogs and tutorial on ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. Let's see what we have here. So here is a bunch of blogs that I wrote on ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. So if you go here, you will find the list of all the blogs. So this is one of my favorite blogs. Want to be GIS expert, master this 20 essential GIS skill. Let's see what we have here. So we have these 20 essential skills that we should know to become a GIS expert. Let's explore more. We have a lot of things. So this is one of my favorite blogs again, where it has the list of all the links or websites where you can find the GIS data, and it is categorized into general or boundary and so on and so forth. Maybe I can give a demo. For example, if you click on elevation, that will take you to the elevation section, and it has all the data that are related to the elevation. For example, if you click here, it will take you I'm sorry, this doesn't work now. I think I need to fix it. Let me check another. For example, which one? Okay, National Hydrographic Dataset. I pray this works. Boom, it works. So it has all the data related for hydrography and so on and so forth. So you can go, you can just check the website this way. Let me check some more blogs. There are other important sites to download freely available GIS data across the world. So this is categorized into countrywide. Just click on the letter, you'll find the sources for the GIS data here. And this is also one of my favorite blogs. What is the importance of GIS in remote sensing? And there are a lot of blogs. Yeah, just keep on scrolling and find the one that you like. So let me go back to home. That will bring you to the landing page. Let's see what we have for remote sensing. There are again tons and tons of blogs written for remote sensing. You will get so many information when you go to this blog. Let me take you to the moderate resolution image, the Myriad product in US. So guys, I work in USGS Aero Center, and this is one of the products that I work on. You may want to check in the USGS website to find this data, but in this blog I have given the quick overview of what this data set is. So and this is all about remote sensing. Let me go back to home again and see what we have more. Okay, we have some stops for Google Earth Engine. This is one of the animations that I created for Google Earth Engine, using the data that I had. I mean the code, doing some little bit code. This is the animation of Moody's NDVI derived from Moody's 16 Global 2050 meter throughout the year using Google Earth Engine. So I have all the literature that you need, and I have also the code that you need to create that kind of animation. So let me go back. So if you want to learn more exciting stuff, for example, how to create this kind of animations like 7 wonders of the world using ArcGIS Pro, if you want to learn this kind of stuff, then you may want to go here and you will find the quick tutorial on how to create this kind of animation in ArcGIS Pro. Let me show some more things. So if you want to create this kind of animation using lineage and cover change or NLCD and find the lineage and cover change over the period of time, then here is a blog, here is a tutorial for you. And this is one of my best ever blogs I have written. So if you want to be smart and if you want to write the next generation resume, this is where you have to go look for. So before talking about it, let's jump to the sample. So this is the sample of my resume that I wrote in ArcGIS map online. It is the story map, and it walks you through the resume, through my resume. So this is where I got my education, South Dakota State University in South Dakota. I got my master's degree over here, and also I got data science certificate from the same university. I did my undergrad in Kathmandu University, Nepal. I had different experience in GIS, which is listed here. There are some other experiences, additional experiences. I attended different presentations, different conferences where I gave oral presentation and poster presentations. These are the list. I got a chance to go to Boston for my paper presentation, and I had some awards and honors, and I got a chance to do some volunteering. I'm sorry. This is the certificate for volunteering in Pecora 20, which occurred in 2017 in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And there are a bunch of other stuffs and my contact information. So this is I would say the next generation resume. For example, I mean, if people ask you if you know how to use ArcGIS or ArcGIS online, don't just say them that I know, but show them how you have mastered your skill in ArcGIS online. So if you want to learn how to make this kind of resume, then you may want to click here, which will take you to my blog on how to write this impressive next generation resume. And there are a bunch of other materials in Esri website itself. Here are the links, so you may want to use that too. Let me go back to ArcGIS tab, where you will find my stuffs in ArcGIS. So here are the tutorials in ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. Just click here, it will take you to the list of ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro tutorials, where I have these 29 GIS interview questions that can help you land on your dream job. This is one of my favorite blog. where you will find the questions and answer written this. I'm also working on multiple choice questions, which I'll be posting very soon, and I will be working on more of such kind of stuffs. So if you want to go to the ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro blog, just click here, and then it will take you to the blogs. Or you can choose, you can just toggle here and choose whatever you want to see. Let's see what we have got in remote sensing. So in remote sensing, I have little bit of my information, where I work, what I do, and here are my latest blogs. Just click here and it will land you to my blog, or you can go it from here to Google Earth Engine. So this is one of my favorite pages again. Here's a quick information of Google Earth Engine, and I have bunch of tutorials on Google Earth Engine, like how to use Google Earth Engine and how to do stuff in Google Earth Engine. So, and I have categorized them into basic, where I have 6 tutorials on Google Earth Engine basic, intermediate 5 tutorials, advanced 2. I have some tutorials on language and cover change in Google Earth Engine as well. Here is a tutorial for time lapse or animation in Google Earth Engine, and here are some other tutorials on Google Earth Engine. And if you want to find other useful materials, Google Earth Engine tutorials or Google Earth Engine website is well sufficient for this kind of thing. So here are the links on links to get some other help from Google Earth Engine itself. So loading. Anyways, so this is how you use. Let me talk about myself now. So I'm Dinesh, and I'm a passionate remote sensing and GIS analyst, and I have been working in working in the field of GIS for more than 8 years. I have few experience on working in remote sensing and Google Earth Engine as well. So this is my current status. I'm working as a remote sensing scientist at KBR, which is a contractor to USGS Aero Center at Sioux Falls. And before landing to USGS Aero Center, I was a graduate teaching assistant in the Department of Geography, and I also worked as a research assistant at Department of Geospatial Science Center for Excellence at South Dakota State University itself. So if you need any help, any professional help, then you can reach me out to via email dinesh.shrestha015@gmail.com, or if you do not like writing email, then you may go to this page where you will find a place to write the message. Just type in your name and your email address and write the message for me. It will just directly come to my email address, and I will manage my time to answer all the questions that you have. Alright, this is all about my website, and all the blogs, all the tutorials that I'll be posting in YouTube will be based on the tutorials that I have in this website, and I'll try to bring very exciting and very up-to-date tutorials for you guys. That's it for today. Hope to see you soon with my brand new tutorial. Goodbye. Thank you so much.